Hier déjà, comme le temps passe, le petit soldat et une femme est une femme. Demain déjà, comme le temps va vite, le soleil dans l'œil et vivre sa vie. Entre-temps, Anna Karina est devenue vedette, presque dirait-on, sans s'en apercevoir. D'ailleurs, s'en est-elle aperçue. Aussi prête au rire qu'aux larmes, son maquillage, ce n'est pas à son âme qu'elle le réserve.
Je ne sais pas. Je suis 23, oui, 21, 22, 23. I've never had to say 23 before.
Vous parlez peut-être pas bien le français, mais on comprend.
Bien. List of things I don't like. Waking up to a house that is not only messy but also cold. Going to make coffee and spilling the grounds, especially over gas flames. I get all in there. It's really awful. Bad performance art. The hours between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. You could do without them. War.
Et quoi?
It belongs with the list of things that are so frustratingly awful and you feel like there's nothing you can do about them, like Venetian blinds and like stopping a war, you know? The injustice of war and Venetian blinds and saran wrap and traffic jams. Grades. Presidents also can be very unjust. List of questions. Why is Antonio so sad?
In sooth, I know not why I am so sad.
What is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Like really the difference on like a molecular level, or what they actually do when you're baking. I don't know. What Bob Dylan song makes you cry the fastest? Is there anything I should know about the shower?
Quoi?
Oh, it's haunted. We have a little ghost, a shower ghost. We have a shower ghost. And you can just watch the cold level little thingy and just whoop, it just goes up. All of a sudden you put it back down and then it just whoop, goes up again. Would you rather have popcorn bushes or popcorn sheep? I should elaborate. Well, okay, on the bright side, it could come to you. Like you could call, like, here, come here, and the popcorn would just come to you and you could pick it off, kind of like if you're petting a cat. But also, you know, who knows where a sheep's gonna go if it like lies down in the dirt. You know, the popcorn would get kind of dirty, especially on the underside. It's kind of like gross down there sometimes. So a popcorn bush, the kernels would be there and then the sun would come and they'd pop and they'd be all like sunny and warm and you could just pick handfuls of popcorn. List of things forgotten at my house. 3 scarves, 1 bra strap, Amalia's acid tear bandana, 1 can of soup, 2 Christmas cards, good memories, 1 pair of gloves, the Swiss Army knife, 1 nail file, lots of shoes.
Goodbye, oh my soul.
Things to learn. Handstands, juggling, how to be in a relationship, that belly dance called. That was a fake one.
So what you want your tongue to do
really
is to do this, either up and down. So you want it to look like this.
List of things I don't like. When a word with a sound near the end is also a plural, like lists. I hate it. Lists of things that don't have legs. Snakes. Silkworms? It's debatable. Mermaids. Definitely not. List of things I love. The way people look when they're laughing because they lost a lot. Everything. The way people look when they're laughing because they lost everything. You know, like the ending of Treasure of the Sierra Madre. When the sky looks like watercolors and when it looks like oil. You know, like when you do like a wash of water and then you put paint on it, like then it looks like clouds and it's really nice. But also the oil, that's for the watercolors. But then the oil paints are all fluffy. Because it's oil paint.
Mais elles ont trouvé un style. Et vous, vous avez une espèce de style. Est-ce que vous recherchez un style? Est-ce que vous dites ça m'ira, ça va avec un personnage? Vous pouvez me créer un personnage un peu plus mystérieux ou un peu moins?
En français? Masha. My name is Masha. I know the first time I said my name, well, I don't remember. Well, actually, I do remember. My dad was pretending to forget me, like we were hiking and I couldn't keep up, and he kept pretending to run away, so I was like, don't forget about me, and he said, you? I couldn't forget about you. Who are you again? And so I said, Masha, I'm Masha, and that was the first time I said my name.
Hier déjà, comme le temps passe, le petit soldat et une femme est une femme.